Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor. In this class, you'll learn how to paint convincing light and shadows to create strong contrast and realistic paintings. Understanding tone and how to add shadows from a light source is one of the most challenging aspects of watercolor. It's amazing how you can create light in your paintings by simply adding a few shadows. I'll show you how to do this quickly and easily with only a few brush strokes. Obtaining the right darkness of paint is important too when painting shadows, as some of these shadows are softer and lighter while others are darker and sharper. I'll show you how to paint shadows for different situations. This class will challenge you to take risks and add contrasting tones and brushstrokes, which are essential for your progression in this medium. In this class, I'll show you my simplified two-step process in painting any landscape scene with light and shadows. There are 6 fully narrated demonstrations for you to paint along to. By the end of this class, you'll feel more confident in understanding how to simplify and paint complex landscapes and make that light pop out from the page. I'm excited to get started, so let's get painting.